Who said that?
Oh, Ben. Ben. Going straight for the couch. Look, we got some little heat tape here. All right, guys. I know I mentioned to you guys a long time ago. I say a long time ago. It's like 3 or 4 videos ago that I got some new wheels for the cow. As you can tell by the orange tape, Carlisle Racing, RPM Motorsports in Carlisle. You have to hook up through those guys. And I was able to source a set of wheels. Now, try in with the bad news first so we can just get it out of the way. Yeah. So now if you look, we have 1 box here. This is obviously a rear, and then we have 2 boxes here for a front. UPS has literally lost my shit. It's just gone. Like, no one knows where it is. UPS doesn't know where it is. You don't know where it is. You don't know where it is. Ben, you know where it is?
I haven't yet tried, but I don't think so.
No one knows where it is, and even the tracking number on it has no idea. So, the moment of truth, as you guys can see, we got a Weld Racing beadlock here, so we know it's a Weld, but what kind did I get? Ryan, what do you think? What kind did I get?
The nice ones.
Oh boy. I got the Vintess rear, which is essentially the V-Series rear for a non-race car.
Ooh. Don't need that.
What is that?
What he needs to do is just feel the difference between this wheel and the wheels out there.
Whew! God, look at that.
Look at that right there.
That sucker. Oh, metal valve sims too. I can pass tech. Pass tech. God, that sucker looks nice.
I think this might be toned.
That might be toned. God, look at that thing. Man, just look at this.
Dude, this is so nice.
It is so nice. Yeah, set that ring on there.
This is where it makes. That's it right there.
God, that will make you slap your mama.
2 times. No offense, Pat.
God, that's gonna look way too fast.
Hey, I think. Hey, just set it for a test fit. It's up in the air.
Look at that. Right here. There will be no tire slippage.
Look at that.
Look at that. This right here. They even do it on the inside too. You cannot spin a tire on this rim. It'd be, you know what? The only thing that can honestly make this better is if I had 2 rear rims. That is it. So those are the rims. I got the Vintess rears, which essentially is like the V-Series rear for a late model car. They don't offer the V-Series rear and offset that will work with a late model car. So yes, there it is. Shout out to Carlisle Racing for the hookup on that. And then if we grab this guy over here. All right. I haven't looked at this one yet.
Ready?
Oh God, it's like a 20 in here.
Are you going donk racing?
Oh my God, I'm so excited about this one.
Look at that, girl. Now we definitely gotta get it.
Yeah, these need to go on like. Yeah. Oh boy. V-Series front. I never thought I would do this.
They look good. Dude,
God.
Looking nice.
Say it looks good. Chris literally just drove his vet here with V-Series on it. We're like, man, they look good. Just pick that. How light is that thing?
Get outside and get a hold of your stars.
The dark stars.
I mean, that's.
I literally went from 0 to hero. I went from like one end of the spectrum, like dark stars are like the worst. People make fun of them, call them poverty stars, to V-Series. You talk enough crap on the internet.
Glow up, sir.
Yeah, this is the glow up.
Hey, no race.
No one will ever race me in these. And if you do, you know you're just getting the gap.
At least it'll look good spinning.
Yeah, that'll look good toting the tires, like when they're only 10 miles an hour and I'm at the 60 foot. Yeah. Ben doesn't care about the damn wheels. He's like, oh, bolts? And like I said before, Mickey Thompson being the standout company that they are, they sent me 2 new tires. I messed up the other ones. It was definitely my fault. It wasn't the tires' fault. I blame it on, you know, stupidity a little bit. Too much horsepower, mounted the tire slightly incorrectly. What I didn't do is when you blow the tire up after you mount it, you're supposed to blow it up to like 40 pounds, let it sit for an hour. I didn't do that, so it didn't set the bead correctly. But they sent me a new set of Mickey Thompson, so we're set. The only thing we need is 1 more rear rim. And then,
we're trying to get it.
Yeah, we're doing everything we can to get it. I can't wait to just stick this on the car.
Hey, you do have the spacers though.
Yeah, billet spacers. So Carlisle hooked me up. I got the studs that we already put on the car. You guys saw it in the last video. And this is everything you need to do to... Yep, billet specialty lug nuts. That came from Andy at Carlisle Racing. Absolutely hooked me up. He knew everything that I needed. Gave me all the part numbers. Sent me everything I needed. effortless. And the guys at RPM Motorsports, they know what's going on. You can call up there and speak to Martin, and you can order these directly through Martin. I was in a pinch. I need something in stock, so that's why I went with Carlisle, but I have another set of wheels coming for the Salty Chicken that are the RPM Motorsports Special, and they will be here right about the time we get back, so I'm pretty excited. All right, so we will bring these pieces over here to the tire mounting couch, and I'll set this guy on there. God, I'm so excited. I've never owned a set of beadlocks in my life. Whew.
Right here, look, there's these two boxes. Okay. That's all in one. Match numbers, ground kit.
God, look at how nice.
No snapping.
Oh, Ben. That is much easier. Today is the next day. We're supposed to leave for Florida, but UPS still has one of my wheels lost. They don't know where it is. They have no idea where it is. They have no answers. They can't tell me when. So it could take 8 to 10 days to find it. So what we're about to do is we're about to run down to Jason Harris' shop. You guys love stopping down there. I don't think Jason will be there, but we're going to steal the wheels off his F-body because they will fit this. He's got factory size rear in there, so that will fit. Same offset, 7.25, 7.25, and that'll fit. So he's got a set of RTS beadlocks. Chris has a set that he bought for his vet of Illumistars. So we're going to take the tire off these, put my 28 on here, and we're going to run this on the front because we got the little billet spacers here. So we got this. We'll be set. And then we'll be able to have proper clearance over the brake and still run them. So then when we get back, then we'll have to change the wheels all over again and do all that fun stuff. Ben's just like, man, I'm just ready to get this stuff done so we can go and get some warm weather. Oh God, what is that? You wanted Loctite, right? Oh God. Oh, that is some hot fire Loctite. That's some high dollar Loctite right there.
I'll wait then.
All right, so we installed the new axle stubs in here. What Ben is doing, he's taking the bolts out, putting Loctite on them, and then putting them back in. We don't have the wire to go through to wire tie them all together so they don't spin, but I think they'll be fine with Loctite. Then we got to reinstall the hubs back here, and then as you can see, Ben already pressed in the new studs for the rear. So we're gonna go get Jason's RTS's rear, which kind of match up with those. They're the, like I said before, the proper back spacing, but they have a MacFab beadlock on it, and those are Chris's wheels. He got another set of welds. He found them on Turbo Bullet. We shop on Turbo Bullet quite a bit, you could say. Any good deals, we try to scoop them up.
Mock-up only.
Yeah, mock-up only. So those were going to be for Chris's vet as a backup set because he has the V-Series on it, but I'm going to mount my tires on there and run those on the front with RTS, so it should look pretty good until my other V-Series rear gets in. And just like that, we went from a 26-inch tall tire to a 28. We're going to knock out the other one and then throw them on the front, so we'll have the fronts done. Whew! I'm so excited! I might just have to slam that guy on there right now.
The most it's gonna do is throw a little bit of weight off, but it's not gonna like so light.
So we got a lot of moving around, a lot of shuffling going on today, and we're trying to leave today. So as soon as possible, Ben is hammering out putting that back together. I'm gonna run down to Jason's and grab that stuff. All right, guys, just picked up Jason's wheels. They seem to be what we need to fit on the cow, so we got them thrown in there. Ben's just in there throwing a tune in his car, so he'll be able to start it while we're gone. Like I said before, he just made the conversion over to turbo, so we gave him some old injectors out of the Rooster, and Ben's getting a startup tune. We're just admiring his toter and stacker setup. Party time, Boone Harris Racing. Can't go wrong. We were supposed to leave at 8 this morning. We're slightly behind. What time is it?
Just about 1.
Oh, we're
actually right on schedule.
yeah, we were right on time. It's like every video you just appear in them now. You get one win and you're in every video. So we were.
Got my hat today.
I know. You're actually doing some work here today.
A little bit.
What do you do? Well, it's on the menu for today.
Cage.
What are you doing that in?
Your buddies.
In the Grand National. This thing's pretty quick. It won like the Grand Nationals or something. I don't. Pump gas nationals. I don't know. It's pretty quick, but yeah. So we're about to leave. We just put a tune up in Ben's throwing a tune in Jason's car while he's gone. Make him change that damn fuel pump wire.
What do you put on a fuel pump? Like a 1.8?
You need more than that though. The wire for that fuel pump is not nearly enough. Ben knows. Ben, how small is that wire for that fuel pump? We just got back. It is, what time is it? God, it's like 4.
4:06.
It's 4:06. We're supposed to leave at 8:30 this morning. Was like my target.
We're there at like 6 a.m.
No, we'll get there at like.
If we left now,
It's 10 hours.
if we left now, we'd get there at 2 a.m. and we're nowhere near ready. Ben has to go home. We have to put the wheels on the car. We have to load both trailers up. We have to attach both trailers. We have 2 hours worth of work. Easy.
Oh my god, dang. No, if we leave at 6, we'll get there at 4.
Yeah.
That's if we haul ass.
Yeah, we got 2 hours.
So we got to put some tires on the car and get everything ready to go. Man, we got a little bit of work to do. It's getting like 7 o'clock here. Finally getting everything ready. The cow is on the ground. We got Jason's wheels and tires in the rear. And then we got Chris's up front. So we got Weld RTS rears and then some Weld Illumistars up front. The cow looks completely different. Wes, how much better does it look?
Good.
I mean, just look at this. Like this pose right here. Pow. Ka-chow. Are we going to get a race? Better chance of getting a race like this than with the V-Series.
Dark stars are the best.
Dark Stars are the best. I really do miss them already. Like, a piece of me is sad. But, alright, I guess let's, you want to put the door, or I guess, do you want to load it right up in the trailer?
Well, we need to get the Mustang out first.
Not out of my trailer.
Oh, that's true.
Alright guys, we are on the road. We got Chris and Ben in the big truck in front of us with the big ass black trailer. We are hauling the cow trailer in the lower Duramax, which is doing fine. I know I haven't given you guys an update in that in a while. We got Wesbo here. Wes, it's been a day, dude. It has been a day.
We've had probably, what, about 3 hours of sleep last night?
God, maybe less.
Well, you slept all night.
I had a little bit more sleep than those guys, knowing that I'd drive a little bit more. But, man, everything we've been doing has been fighting us. But we came together. We overcame our obstacles, got the parts we needed, got the stuff working. We test drove it, still fought us a little bit, found the issue, fixed it, and now hopefully we're good to go on the road. So this will be my view here for the next 10 hours, unless Wes decides to drive a little bit. And
I'll take over the last 30.
yeah, the last 30 minutes. So
Make it look like I drove some. I'll pull up at the end.
So, yeah, I'm going to end this video at some point. Hopefully Wes will drive so I can edit yesterday's video for you guys and get you guys some action. So I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. Check out the Ellis Natchy merch. Got some new shirts coming out. We got the Cowmaro shirts and the and the salty chicken shirts down below. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.